Morning students, we are talking about the classification of business activities. In this concern, we have learned what is industry and how many types of industries are. Today, we will learn about commerce. First of all, we should know what is commerce. Commerce refers to all the activities which help directly or indirectly in the distribution of goods unless and until these goods reach to ultimate customers. Students, we should understand when manufacturers produce goods at that time, they want their goods should be reached to ultimate customers. But the one main problem in this regard is the customers are scattered in the whole country, in all over the country, but the manufacturers produce their goods on a certain place. The problem arises how they can be reached to the customers, how they can send their goods to ultimate customers. This is the problem, and this type of problem, goods are produced at one place and customers are scattered in different places. As I have told you, the consumers are not aware of goods are produced. On the other hand, the consumers or customers don't know which type of goods is produced by manufacturer, and where it is produced they don't know. How they can reach to manufacturer or producer, they don't know. This is the problem. Goods are produced in a large quantity. This is the third type of problem. Manufacturers produce a huge quantity of product of goods, but consumers or customers need a small amount of quantity. Then all types of problems are solved by commerce. Is that clear? What is commerce? What is the role of commerce? Now we will see what are the functions of commerce. What does the commerce do? Now we will see how commerce solve all the problems in this regard. The first function is helps in removing the hindrance of persons. Manufacturers are at one place and consumers are scattered in all over the country. At that time, the very important factor who are called traders. This is the segment of commerce. Trade is a segment, very important segment of commerce. Okay? They purchase the goods from the manufacturer and give the goods to the consumers. In this way, traders are very important. They purchase the goods from manufacturer and they send the goods to the consumers. In this way, we can say trade is very important segment of commerce, and by doing trade, by trading, we can solve, commerce can solve this type of problem. Now we will see other function helps in removing the hindrance of place. As I have told you, consumers are scattered all over the country, while manufacturers are at a certain place. At that time, this commerce remove the hindrance of place. How they remove the hindrance of place? by means of transportation. They purchase the goods, and by using the means of transportation, they send the goods to the consumers in all over the country. In this way, commerce solve by using the means of transportation to they reach to the consumers. Okay. Now we will see the third point, the removing the hindrance of time. This is also very important segment of commerce, work of commerce, such as wheat, rice and pulses are produced in a certain season, but these crops are required, these crops are needed by the consumers or customers whole year in whole country. Okay? At that time the problem creates, it is the problem. In a large quantity crops are produced and the whole year how they can keep at one place. On the other hand, we can take another example. Some goods are manufactured at a special season, such as example, I have given you the example of crops. Now on the other hand, some things are required by consumers at a special season and they are produced the whole year, such as winter dress. Winter dresses are used in winter only, but they are produced by the manufacturer at that time where they should keep their manufactured goods. At that time, commerce helps. How does commerce help? This problem has been solved. This problem is solved by warehousing. There are different type of huge warehouses. They provide the place to keep the product or goods in the warehouse safely. So warehousing is the segment of commerce. Now we will see another point, help in removing hindrance of exchange. Banking is the segment which helps the hindrance of exchange. Any producer can sold the goods to the persons and they receive checks, demand draft, etc. And today we are using the electronic money also, electronic means of paying and receiving the money. In this way, there is no problem of exchanging, and commerce is solving this type of problem. So exchange problem has been solved by the commerce. Commerce helps in removing the hindrance of exchange. Now we will see the help in removing the hindrance of risk. Insurance sector is also the segment of commerce. They give the assurance to the producers for bearing the risk. Okay, so insurance sector is also an important segment of commerce. Now we will see the sixth point, helps in removing the hindrance of knowledge. Where producer is producing which type of product, people don't know. Where are people who will purchase our producing goods, manufacturers don't know. At that time, manufacturers use the means of advertisement, which is the important segment of commerce. So when manufacturers advertise their goods in the country, at that time people have the curiosity to purchase that goods, and they also have the knowledge which type of manufacturer is producing which type of goods and how they can purchase the goods, how can they get the goods and they get benefited by using that goods. So advertisement is also the important means of segment, and this is the important segment of commerce. In this way, commerce is a big phenomena and it helps the society. It is very important, and this is a very important activity, business activity, and it helps in removing the hindrance of persons, removing the hindrance of place, removing the hindrance of time, removing the hindrance of exchange, and removing the hindrance of risk, and removing the hindrance of knowledge. So students, I think you have understood all the activities of all the business activity which are industry, and how many types of industry, what is the role of industry, and what is the commerce. Commerce is called the backbone of the industry. This is very important. So I think you all the things has been very clear to you now. Till then,